Synology Drive's file locking lets users lock files while editing to prevent version conflicts when multiple users work on the same file, keeping collaboration stable and data protected. In this video, we will show you how to manage file locking settings and how to lock and unlock files in Synology Drive. You can find the timestamps for each chapter in the video description. Before you start, make sure your system meets the following version requirements. The file locking feature requires advanced features to be activated first. If you haven't turned this on yet, open Synology Drive Admin Console, go to Advanced Features, and click Activate. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If advanced features are already activated, open Synology Drive Admin Console. Settings, then File Locking, and select Enable File Locking. Once file locking is enabled, users can manually lock files, and those files will remain locked until they are unlocked. If you have an on-demand sync task set up on Windows, you can also enable automatic file locking. When auto file locking is enabled, a file is locked automatically as soon as a user opens it. Please note that file locking conditions vary depending on how you're accessing the file. For more details about automatic locking, refer to the link in the description. If you only want to enable file locking for specific team folders, select the folders you want to support. Files inside those folders will then be able to be locked. You can also manage locked files by clicking the Manage Locked Files button to view a list of all currently locked files, along with who locked them and when. If a file needs to be edited but the user who locked it can't be identified or reached, admins can use this page to quickly find the file and force unlock it by right-clicking and selecting Unlock. One quick thing to note about file locking: locked files can be moved by users with manager permission. However, if a locked file is moved to a folder that doesn't support file locking, it will be unlocked automatically. Now that file locking is enabled, let's look at how to lock and unlock files using Synology Drive Client. You can do this in both the Drive web portal and the client, but for this tutorial, we'll use the Drive client. First, right-click the file you want to lock. Select Synology Drive, then Lock File. Once locked, a lock icon will appear next to the file name. Only the user who locked the file can move, rename, or delete it. Other users can still open the file in read-only mode, or hover over the lock icon to check whether it's locked by them or another user. Next, we will show you how to unlock a file. Right-click the file you want to unlock. Select Synology Drive, then Unlock File. Files can only be unlocked by the user who locked them, users with file management permissions, or an admin. If you do not have permission to unlock a file but need to make changes, right-click the file, select Synology Drive, unlock file, then request unlock. The user who locked the file will receive a notification. File locking applies only to individual files, not folders. On mobile devices, you can see whether a file is locked, but you cannot lock or unlock files using the app. Learn more about Synology Drive in our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.